Yo, what's up YouTube? So, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve the Tower 2x2x3 cube. So, quick note, this cube is very similar to the 2x2, but it's a lot easier to solve than the 2x2. And it's also similar to the square one in one way, and it's a lot easier. But without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get the top and bottom face the same color. So when you get the top face the same color, then you don't have to worry, it'll automatically get the bottom face the same color because, well, yeah. So you're going to want to have white on the top, like this, and yellow on the bottom. So the way to tell what color it is to line up any of the corner pieces with an edge on the center, the middle layer. So this piece here, it would go in blue and orange, and it lines up. So this is the white side. So if you do that, then you're going to want the white side on top and yellow on bottom. Alright, so if you have this case where it's just 3 lines like this, then you're going to want to line this white piece here. You're going to align this piece here so that when you turn it, it goes here, and then it makes a bar. And then you're going to align the white bar next to the yellow bar, and then you're going to put the yellow bar below the white bar, and then you can move it up like that, and then it'll solve the top and bottom side. If you have this case where yellow's on top of yellow and white's on top of white, then just do these 2 simple moves. Very easy. And then you can do the move to turn it. And if you have this case where it's like a checkered, then you're going to want to align, you're going to put this yellow piece here and put this yellow piece here. So the yellow piece on the back will go on the right, and the yellow piece on the top will go on the left. And then you can do a slice to align it and make a bar, and then you align them in the opposite way, just like I told you, so you can do that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get all the top layer corners solved. So there's 2 different cases you can get, and I'm going to be showing you both of them. So if you get this case where it's just 1 bar, then you're going to have it on the left, and you're going to do this algorithm. R, U prime, R, F, U prime, F, U, F, and then that'll solve the top corners. And if you have this case where there's no bars and it's just like diagonal, then you're going to hold it on the bottom, and you're going to take any piece out. I'll choose this piece, you can choose any, and you're going to take it out using this 5-move algorithm. R, U prime, R. And then that'll take that corner out, and then you're going to bring it to where it has to go. So this is blue, this is orange and blue, so it'll go here, blue and orange. And you're going to reinsert it with that 5-move algorithm. R, U prime, R. Like that. And then the piece you took out when you inserted this will go to the empty slot, and you can insert it with that same algorithm. Like that. And that's how you solve the top layer corners. The next thing you're going to want to do is solve the bottom layer corners. So you're just going to turn the cube upside down. And if you have the bar like this, then it's the same case. Have it on the side and do the algorithm. R, U prime, R, F, R, wait, no, not R, U prime, F, U, F. And then that'll solve them. But for the bottom layer, if you have this case, then you can't just do the same algorithm you would use for the top layer corners, because that would mess up the corners for the top layer. So instead, you're going to hold it in any position, and you're going to do that algorithm where you would solve if you had the bars. You're just going to do that algorithm twice. So R, U prime, F, no, R, F, U, F, U prime, F, U, F, and then when you get the bar, you'll hold it on the left, and do it again. Like that. And now leading to that, there's only one step left, which is the middle layer edges. So if you do it like this, where all the pieces have solved stickers, then you're just going to do this. L, and turn this way, which I think is an E prime, and then L. And then that should give you this solved and this solved. So if you get that, when you have this, you could just get this, but when you do that, you're going to make sure the solved bars are matched up with their colors. So red is with red and orange is with orange. Or if you have blue and green with the solved, then you'll match blue with blue and green with green. So if you have this case where there's two that need to be switched, then you're going to do R, U2, R, U2, R, U2, and then it'll solve. And then if there's this case where there's two pieces that have solved stickers but one doesn't, then you're going to hold it on the right and you're going to do E prime, L, E, and then L, and then if you, sometimes it'll get solved, but if you still have it not solved, then you're just going to do that again. Like that, and then you can just solve it. And finally, if you have this case where there's two middle layers that have solved stickers and two that don't, then you're just going to hold the unsolved ones on the side, and you're going to go L, E2, L, and then that'll solve them. So that is how you solve the 2x2x3 cube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.